Hello, good morning. Welcome to r2diagnostic in such a lovely morning. I just want to demonstrate today how the Ghost immobiliser works on new Rolls-Royce Ghost. So the function is pretty simple. We're getting, as usual, inside the vehicle. The key is in the place where it's supposed to be. Switching the ignition on. We got ignition on. Press and start the vehicle. Works fine until we switch lever gear to drive or reverse. Everything cutting out. So now you won't be able to start this vehicle anymore. So we turn ignition off. Switch back on. And now, only for demonstration for the video, I set the pin to deactivate. Indicator will confirm only inside the Ghost is inactive. You can start it again, and once we select the gear, everything's working fine. So you can set any pin up to 20 presses, so it's impossible to guess the pin code. Thank you for watching r2diagnostic. Have a lovely day.